Hi guys. Um, Today I want to talk about why I've been unprofitable for so long. So I've been unprofitable for quite some time, and I've been blaming it on my psychology or the things that I went through or the things that I go through. And between today and yesterday was my real realization that that was not the case. Um, what really made me unprofitable was my lack of doing the market analysis. And the reason behind me not doing it is because I've been so profitable for so long to a point where I started neglecting it. And fact remains, with or without psychology, market analysis is paramount. You know, without it, you're gambling. And that's something I didn't realize for the longest time, that I've been gambling, you know. So I just had what they call winner's luck, which happened for like a week streak or even 2 weeks. And if I wouldn't be profitable for a week and then blowing it all within the next day or the next week, then I'd be profitable for 2 weeks straight. And then on the third week, I'd be unprofitable, or midweek of that third week, I'd be unprofitable. And I'd blame it on political news or just anything outside of me, and just feeling like the markets are against me, whereas I'm the one who was against myself for every time I didn't do my market analysis. Just sometimes even getting in based off the fact that I was profitable the previous day and I was profitable over sales, and assuming that there's going to be a continuation of sales, or because there were sales yesterday, the market goes up and down, so there should be buys today, So it's like I wake up, I'd even take it as far as building consistency and a habit. But that consistency and habit that I've been building was solely for me to wake up early. And the belief was that if I wake up early, I'm able to complete a lot of tasks within one day, where instead of trying to squeeze everything in, if I wake up whatever time. And I just felt like if I start building structure, it might change my trading. Because when I started being profitable, I was profitable at every session, whether it's your Asian session or your New York, your Sydney. It didn't matter. I just was profitable. So I really don't know if I was being profitable because I had winner's luck for 2 weeks straight or for 1 week straight, or if my strategy then worked, and then as soon as I tapped into learning new strategies, I then started losing. I don't know what it is, but I've taken the time to learn the things that I don't know, just to better my trading, but with where I'm at now, I blew a demo account, but that was deliberate, because I wasn't following my risk rules. and it's just me having that bad habit that the market will come back and I'll break even, or it'll go back to my TP, just for it to continue the opposite direction throughout until I blew my account. Luckily, it was a demo account, but these are things that I need to look into, and my weaknesses have been me thinking that my bias is always correct, even when it's against me not using the right risk management, and me not doing the whole market analysis prior to trading. So I feel like if I work on those, I might jump back into being a profitable trader again. So yeah, that's where I've been. I even messed up my um, funded challenge because of these bad habits. It could have been prevented. I had 100% win rate, but one random day I decided I'm going to increase my risk, and I'm not going to put in some risk because I assumed that the trade would go my way.